Hello everyone, so today I'm going to deal with different assembly. In that the second part is support plane. I'm going to draw this. As you can see here, I'll just increase the size to have a look on it. This is the part. So I'll draw the triangle first. Inside it I will use control and here new part as a template. I'll select the top plane for my creation. I'll use the polygon. I'll define the parameter as 3. I'll start from the origin and define it like this. Now I can make it horizontal, then using smart dimension I'll define the dimension from here to here. It should be 115. Okay, now this is 18, radius is 18 he has given. Let me do the same. I'll select this and I'll define the fillet radius is 18 here. These are these edges. Click on green check. Once it is done, I can able to access the center points of all. Over there I need to place again 3 holes of diameter 15. Select the circle, add 15, enter 15, 15. Once that is done, even center is there, that is of 25. Let me check it once. Yep, it's 25 and diameter 6 at 32. So first I need to draw the 35 PCD. Is it exactly 35? Yes. Once I do that, on it I need to create the circle of diameter 6. That is ready. I'll just make it for construction. Using the line from this center to this original join, and I'll create one more line up like this. Now by using smart dimension I'll define the dimension between these two lines. It is 30. Now hold these two and make it for construction, not needed. Now we are done with sketch. The remaining also you can place it now. Let me just try using this linear pattern, circular pattern. Select this as your center point. Instant it should be 3. Equal spacing, dimension, angular spacing, dimension, radius, equal spacing. The entity is to pattern, should not the arc. This should be patterned. Okay. I'll select equal spacing, dimension, radius, done. Green check. It's still undefined, so what I can do, I'll just select these, I'll fix them. Now what to do? Yes, they are not exactly on the circle. Now the sketch is ready. Connect it using the features. I'll extrude it. The thickness they have given as 7 mm thickness. I'll add it. Okay, the component is ready. Okay, so we are done with this part. The second part is, you can see the name, support plate. I'll save it. I'll directly save this part on desktop. I'll create a new folder, hook assembly, crane hook assembly. Here I'll support plate. Yeah, this is the part. I'll just save it here. Done. So in the next video I'm going to cover other parts, how to create them, and at last how to assemble them. Thank you for watching.